Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that over $1 billion worth of Ethereum has been burned since London hard fork, which happened on the 4th of August. But yeah, well, this is a crazy number, I think. The second thing I want to talk about is Ark Investment is now splitting its crypto portfolio, 60% Bitcoin, but 40% Ethereum, because their confidence in Ethereum is just growing. And the third news, a little bit bearish one, that State Bank of India blocks payments to cryptocurrency exchanges on UPI platforms. So guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday, the only thing you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and then you will get the notifications, subscribe, bell button, and that's the only thing you have to do. And I'm putting these videos here on YouTube every weekday to keep you up to date. And also check out the links under this video. Many links you can save money with when you register to different kind of exchanges, for instance, or a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And now when we're looking at the market, we can see that we're having a quite nice day, 2% up. Bitcoin, it is at $48,322. Ethereum also going up 6%, 3,627. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see REN going up 24%, Horizon 23%, Sushi Swap 20%, and many others. So nice gains. When we're looking at the losers, we see TREZOR went up recently, now 8% down, Heather Hashgraph 4% down, Aaron 4% down, but these are the ones, as you can see, they went up quite nicely in the last 7 days. When we're looking at the Bitcoin chart, you can see here, this is the 4-hour one that, we broke out of this channel. And now we are right here. I put real quick here the Fibonacci retracement one. And here you can see all the levels. And, this one here, I drew here this blue line, as you can see. The price were around this blue line here a couple of times. So this could be an interesting level, which is almost identical with this fib level, what you can see here. So we'll see what's happening here. It's crossing it or it's coming down, but now, looking again, Bitcoin looking bullish. It can happen because sometime here the volume wasn't that strong, that we can go here a little bit now, again, a bit sideways and going up, but actually overall things looking nice. When you looking at this whole picture, the big picture, look, pretty much very, very similar thing happening so far here. This is how the big way it happened. The big one, the price drop, and there we have a channel. Here, same, it roll over, then as you can see here, and there you can see here a rollover, a price drop, and the channel, and it breaks out. So there is a kind of similarity. We see how it breaks out, but for now, in the last quarter of this year, I think we can have a nice price increase. And if Bitcoin goes up, you know what's happening to altcoins. They're also going to moon as well. And now let's talk about the first news. And the first one, it's all about that about Ethereum burn, because since the 4th of August, $1 billion worth of Ethereum has been burned. Well, this London hard fork looks like it was successful, because since that we can see Ethereum burn. And according to this article, and of course the data, over $1 billion worth of Ethereum burned since the London hard fork. Roughly 300,000 Ethereum has been destroyed since the London upgrade introduced a new burn mechanism on the 5th of August. And when you're looking at here, you can see ETH burn live. And yeah, well, it's already, more than that, and it's already more than 1 billion. And this is the total number which is burned. And here you can see burned in the last hour. Look, in the last hour, 218 ETH was burned, which definitely, if it continues like this, you do know how it works because of the part of the transaction fee is the one which it's getting burned. And well, when the prices are hot, the market going up or actually dramatically going down, so there are transactions, this is the period when actually this number is getting higher and higher. So currently popular non-fungible token NFT marketplace, OpenSea, is the biggest ETH burner among decentralized platforms. Since London's launch, it was responsible for burning over 42,100 ETH, which is 145 million US dollar. At the same time, a regular e-transfer have resulted in the destruction of around 26,100 ETH, which is about $90 million so far. In its turn, decentralized crypto exchange Uniswap V2 burned 56.5 million US dollar worth of ETH. Another 50.5 million was burned on transfers of Tether stablecoins, and 32 million on blockchain gaming platform Axie Infinity, and finally 30 million on Uniswap V3. So here, these are the top burners right now, and this is very interesting. This brings, ETH could be a deflationary token in these kind of times, which actually something which can push ETH price up as well. Right, next one, it's about Ark Investment, splits its portfolio now and becomes a strong ETH believer. Well, now more and more institutional investors, of course, taking serious Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the kind of king of crypto, whatever you call it. But looking now different kind of cryptos as well, and Ethereum, as it has so many use cases, there is this big chunk of the DeFi market built on the Ethereum NFT market and so on and so forth. So now they may be remaking their portfolios. And here is, for instance, Ark Investment, which splits to 60-40, 60 to Bitcoin, 40% on Ethereum, as they're getting more and more confident. So the CEO of Ark Investment believes Ethereum's development is promising and Bitcoin's value will continue to rise as more companies and institutions adopt the cryptocurrency. Katie Wood, the CEO of Ark Investment, has doubled down on her prediction that the price of Bitcoin will grow tenfold in the next 5 years, and said the growth of decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and Ethereum 2.0 upgrade has massively increased Ark's confidence in Ethereum in the future. So Wood's prediction has Bitcoin's value to have hit almost 500,000 US dollar by the year 2026. In her view, Bitcoin still remains the default cryptocurrency of the crypto space, with El Salvador deeming it legal tender and the other countries of Central America signaling they may follow soon. This could be interesting. But she said Ether is becoming more and more attractive as an investment thanks to the explosion in developer activity related to NFT and DeFi. And this is the reason why Ethereum can be hot as well in the future. It can happen that it will, replace Bitcoin as number one cryptocurrency by market cap, because so many people now becoming a big believer of Ethereum, and now not just retail investors, which was so far, but more and more institutional investors thinking about Ethereum, and this can push Ethereum's price even higher. And of course, this burning is also working very well. The only thing which we're having right now is that the transaction fee, the gas fees are still high on Ethereum, but Ethereum 2.0 will solve this problem. Until that, we have this kind of layer 2 things, which also helping. So we will see how it works out, but they are on their way of the improvement. And the third thing is, well, India is sometimes a little bit bullish, but then again bearish on crypto. And now the State Bank of India blocks payment to cryptocurrency exchanges on UPI platforms. So now I have a bearish news when it comes to crypto and India, because now the State Bank of India blocks payments to cryptocurrency exchanges on UPI platforms, which is the Unified Payment Interface. So this is what this is short for. So the Unified Payment Interface is an instant real-time payment system developed by the National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI, to facilitate interbank transactions through mobile phones. So the UPI payment system is regulated on and also supervised by India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, according to the publication. So the bank has told payment processors to disable SBI UPI for crypto merchants. This means that SBI bank customers cannot transfer funds via UPI to crypto exchanges to buy cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. So now they having this kind of problem. Now that SBI has made this decision, many other banks may be reluctant to onboard crypto merchants on their respective UPI platforms, the publication conveyed. Yes, so we do know that in India, this whole kind of crypto thing is like a war, back and forth. Then they would like to, the block crypto and do something against it. And then, they coming back, and then now everything is okay. And now, it's vice versa, but it has a huge population. So the potential of India, of the crypto market, when finally things working out there, could be massive. You're thinking about more than 1 billion people living just in India. So if just like a fraction of that, it's going into crypto, and of course there's poverty, so it's also a big issue, and crypto can help them in many, many ways. But they facing these kind of problems. But who knows, maybe sooner or later these will be fixed as well. There were so many bad news about crypto in India in the past, and it was always then a relief, and then, okay, everything got back to normal. Now this is the new one. We'll see how it turns out. But this is just, small little thing. Altogether, things looking very optimistic, looking good for the rest of the year. The news are right now great. I do expect a dump definitely at the end of the bull market. So I think, again, now it's bullish if in the next couple of months, and then probably a dump is coming. How big, we don't know. But right now, in short term, for the next couple of weeks, next couple of months, I think things looking quite good. Guys, that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday to keep you up to date. Therefore, I'm coming back tomorrow. So have a good one. Bye-bye.